first time. I've got 5 kids. First time anything like this has ever happened.
What was supposed to be a normal morning, dropping her child off at school, turned into a nightmare in front of the students.
I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally.
When she ignored a protection order, police were forced to take her into custody right there in front of the children. It looked like an ordinary day at the school gate. No one expected officers would have to deploy a taser in front of dozens of students watching.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're gonna get tased.
The woman insisted she was just taking her child to class, but officers warned she was violating a restraining order and ordered her to leave immediately. The more she argued, the more the situation escalated.
Why am I being pulled over?
Ma'am, pull over here.
Why am I being pulled over?
Miss, pull over here right now.
I would suggest you call your chief of police right now. I'm on the phone with my attorney.
Step out. Ma'am, step out of the car. 142, I need another unit. I'm on the side of the school. Ma'am, pull over here. Ma'am, pull over here.
700, 142. Did you copy 143?
Give me some more cars. She's refusing to come out of the car. Getting ridiculous. Ma'am, pull over here so I can unblock traffic.
Why am I being pulled over?
Ma'am, you're being investigated for a violation of protection order. You're not allowed on school grounds.
I'm allowed to drop my daughter off here at school.
Okay.
I've been doing it all year.
Okay, listen, I had a complaint. I'm just doing the investigation, okay?
You can do it right here and you can call the chief of police.
Okay, can you pull over so
I'm
you
going
can...
to call my attorney. So this is getting serious now.
Okay, I don't care.
I haven't violated anything.
Okay, I'm doing the investigation and now you're obstructing.
I'm late for work.
You're obstructing now.
I'm not obstructing. You're not telling me why I'm being detained.
I just told you that you're being investigated for a violation of protection order. There's nothing in the protection order that says you can drop your foster daughter off.
Where's the protection order? Can I see it?
Yeah, it's back here. Pull over here.
I'm not going to.
I'm going to bust the window and remove you.
Bust
if
my
you don't,
window?
yeah, absolutely. I've got more officers.
Officer McConnell, you're going to bust my window at a
you're
school?
under arrest. Step out of the car.
I'm under arrest?
Yes, you're under arrest.
What? What
Step
am I
out.
being
You
under
are
arrest
obstructing
for?
official business. Step out.
I'm under arrest for what?
You are.
Chief of police now.
Go ahead and call the police, she yelled, unaware she was already speaking to them. With seconds of defiance, the scene exploded and officers were forced to act.
She won't get out. All right, listen. You're under arrest.
When I speak to the chief of police,
You're
I'm not under arrest. I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay.
I'm dropping my daughter off at
You see
school.
this?
You're breaking the window?
I'm going to break the window and remove you.
You're
Step out.
Facebook Live.
Okay, I don't care.
You're
Step
being
out.
videoed in front of my
Step
attorney.
out. Step out of the car.
143, you
Where's
check
the
out.
chief of police?
Step out of the car.
Where's the chief of police?
Step out of the car. I'm going to bust the window and remove you.
Where's the chief of police?
You don't get that.
You're 721.
Ma'am, I'm going to tell you one more time.
Speak to the backup, but I'm not speaking to you.
Step out of the car. You're
I'll
under
speak
arrest.
to whoever else you are with you. Call for backup. I do not feel comfortable with you.
Ma'am, there's another officer on the other side. Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
Speak to him, but I'm not speaking to you.
Okay. One last chance. Are you going to get out of the car?
Bust my window?
Get out of the car.
You're not placing me under arrest.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car. Get straight on the ground.
Stop! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Help me! Help me!
When she continued to ignore commands, a loud crack from the taser echoed. She screamed, collapsed, and students stood shocked in silence, not knowing what they had just witnessed.
Quit resisting.
I can't feel my
14211.
Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Somebody!
You're clear on
Please help me! Please help me! Officer, please help me!
Tell taser's been deployed.
You're clear on taser deployment 723.
Somebody, please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Please, ow! Ow, please help me! Please help me! Please help! Why did he do that? I'm just dropping my daughter off at school! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Stop, you're being disorderly.
What is wrong with you?
You're being disorderly,
You
stop.
hurt me! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I'm dropping my daughter off to school! There's nothing wrong with that! I haven't done anything wrong! I'm dropping my daughter off like I do every day! Help me! Somebody help! Help me! Help me! Please don't let him touch me! Please don't let him touch me! Please don't let him touch me! Oh,
700,
help!
122, 122. Do you need a medic?
Stop.
Somebody help me, please!
1, 2, 3.
Please help me out! Oh my God, you hurt my arm!
Walk.
Stop! I can't! You hurt my leg!
Walk.
Somebody help!
Walk.
Somebody help me! I gotta shut my car
I'll
off!
take care of it.
I don't want you touching my car!
Moments later, she was handcuffed and taken away, facing multiple charges. Yet through tears, she kept insisting, "I bring my child here every day."
Pull your feet in.
Where is the protection order?
I have a copy of it. Pull your feet in.
want the protection order. Show me. I don't
Okay.
want you touching me.
I'm gonna put you in the car if you don't get in. Now pull your feet
Why
in.
are you doing this?
You're ridiculous.
Ridiculous that you pulled me over in front of my kid?
No, I didn't.
Ridiculous that you pulled me.
Pull your feet in.
Principal, could you please come here? No, McConnell, don't touch me. I'm already bleeding everything out. I'm actually talked before.
Get in the car.
Please tase me. Please tase me. Put me out of the door. Please take out the picture. I can't drop off. But I can. I've been
Ma'am,
doing it for months.
get in the car.
You won't stop tasing me, please.
Get in the car.
Can you please
You're
help?
gonna get hit with pepper spray. Get in the car.
I'm not doing anything wrong. You have the protection order on file. I've been dropping off for months.
Get in the car. You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
I don't know what's going on. Just get in the car.
Get in the car. You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
Call somebody that
I can't call. How can I call anybody? Why am I being arrested for?
You're being arrested for obstruction and resisting arrest. Now get in the car.
I didn't know. You said I was being arrested for something else. Now it's changed.
I told you that you were being investigated for violation of protection.
I'm not. I've dropped off every day for 3 months, 4 months.
Pull your feet in.
probably worked out in time.
Pull your feet in, please.
Deep breath. Okay, so take a deep breath.
Could you please turn off my car and get my purse?
Ma'am, no. I gotta tow it. Pull your feet in.
You don't have to tow it. I'm parked in a parking spot.
Pull your feet in.
You're gonna tow it so the town makes money off of that?
Pull your feet in.
Could you at least grab my purse?
Ma'am,
It has everything in it.
Sit down and get in the car, please. I don't want to hit you with pepper spray.
Well, you've already hit me enough, haven't you?
Get in the car.
66.
Isn't this ridiculous? Can you go look at the CPO that's on file?
She's in the back of the car if you just want to check her. Can you pull over here so you're not blocking, please?
That doesn't tell me what's hurting you. I'm asking.
My stomach, my left knee,
Is that-
my
is
shoulders,
that bad
my
hard?
shoulders hurt. Yes, it hurts.
Okay.
That's what hurts.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
In handcuffs?
Do you want to go to the hospital? You're under arrest from
For
them.
what?
I don't know. I just got
rather
here.
be told what I'm arrested for.
Okay, I'm sure.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, persistent disorderly conduct, misdemeanor of the fourth degree. You're under arrest for obstruction of official business. You're under arrest for resisting arrest. You're under arrest for violation of a protection order.
I just want you alone with me. I want you to have backup.
Well, this is not Burger
That's my
King.
right.
It's not Burger King. You don't get it your way. So I apologize in advance to the children because I, in a million years, did not think that this would happen, and I feel terrible for the
She was formally charged with violating a protection order, assault, failure to obey police commands, resisting law enforcement, and disorderly conduct. Next, it was a peaceful day in Utah until police received a report of a 3-year-old left alone inside a car. But when confronted, the mother had no idea why she was about to be arrested.
This is the first time. I've got 5 kids. This is the first time anything like this has ever happened to me. I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally.
On June 6, 2024, a routine call about a child left in a car revealed alarming neglect. The mother, upon arrival, seemed confused and oblivious to the severity of the charges.
I'll get them come over here and talk to you. 305-455.
First time, I'm confused.
She doesn't understand why she's going to jail. Can you explain that to her?
Okay, so you don't understand why you're going to jail?
I'm assuming it's because I left her in the car.
You're assuming. So you think it's
I know it's because I left her in the car.
so you think it's running and you run inside to a store to get a ring?
No.
Okay, that's child neglect. You were gone for over 15 minutes.
He said that the woman said I was gone for over 15
There's multiple people stating you were.
Well, there's multiple people stating that I was.
So that's the reason. Unattended in a vehicle. You shouldn't do it for 5 minutes, let alone 15, 16 minutes.
When officers checked the car, they found that no biological parent with legal custody was present, meaning the child was considered abandoned under state law.
Police scare me. Jail scares me. I've never. This is the first time. I've got 5 kids. This is the first time anything like this has ever happened to me. I just got off work. I've been at work since 4:45 this morning.
Go right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna all right. Step in. Blunt.
The other 27 in there.
It's not a regular vape.
The mother admitted to using marijuana and pills from street sources, acknowledging the risks but continuing the behavior. How could she endanger her child this way?
Through the day.
What are they?
From my understanding, jigs, beans. But with fentanyl going around, that's why you found so many. I was scared to take them.
Those are the colorful ones?
Yes.
Okay. What was in the little bag?
That was powder. From my understanding, it's powder.
Right.
But I'm scared to take a lot of stuff nowadays than I did back then because I was younger back then. I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally, but all that other stuff I really don't. I take my B12 pill, and that's about it. But I did. I forgot. I forgot all that was in there. I'm sorry. I don't have no other explanation.
Where'd you get it from?
Off the streets. Just off the streets. I mean, people random. People that I work with. I work with a lot of drug dealers. Homes of Marriott, you can find anything there. But
Talk about the wax.
No, I haven't asked that yet.
my vape.
No, the little square squishy wax. It's a little square. Kind of looks like a throat lozenge.
I got it from my dad.
Okay, what is that?
It helps me sleep. It's a gummy.
Okay.
It's a gummy. He has a medical card, so we had an Easter egg hunt, and I found the one with the gummy in it, and that's why it's there. I don't. That's why they're all still there. I don't take it like I smoke bud.
So y'all had an Easter egg hunt and hid
My dad did.
gummies in them.
Yeah, for the adults. You know, it's for the adults, but more or less me and my sister Tiffany.
In Utah, placing a child in danger or abandoning them in a vehicle is treated as child endangerment, a serious offense, punishable by 1 to 5 years in prison. The woman was arrested and charged with child endangerment, possession of narcotics and paraphernalia, misuse of a handicap parking permit, and obstruction for refusing to comply with police orders. All because she left the child in the car just for a moment. She now faces a felony.
Either way, we need the items back, whether we get them.
Right here.
Are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out? Unlock your fingers.
When confronted by security, the woman immediately fought back, denying everything and insisting she was innocent. But was she really telling the truth?
Any stores today?
Yeah, I just came to the mall.
Okay, so I'm just gonna read your rights real quick. You have your rights here.
What?
Just listen here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
What store were you in today?
I just went into paint, and I went into, I forgot where I went into before that.
Okay. All right. Did you conceal any merchandise on you? Did you take any clothing? Because we're going to go to the store and look at the cameras. So.
Okay.
So did you take any clothing?
No, I did not.
Okay. You just do me a favor, hang up the phone real quick while I'm speaking with you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have a picture of it on my phone. I recently lost because it got expired.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID real quick.
It's expired.
Okay.
It's expired on my birthday.
Do you have a valid one, or is it the only one you have?
No, it recently just expired. That's a copy of the one I have.
Okay.
But recently just expired.
Sorry, I got out of it. Where was it?
When the surveillance footage was shown, her lies began to crumble, and she was forced to come up with shocking excuses to explain herself.
Arrest for what?
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained at this time.
Detained for what, though, officer?
For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially? Not for actually potentially?
So you're matching the description of somebody that reported shoplifting in a store.
I just literally got to this mall.
So we're looking at camera footage right now.
Okay.
If you didn't shoplift, you'll be on your way. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So what did you take from the store?
I didn't see. For what store?
What's in your dress that you took from the store? You're on camera.
What camera am I on, officer?
Every camera that's in the store caught you putting stuff in your dress.
In what store?
So I'm gonna let me explain how this is gonna go down. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be placed under arrest, and then you're going to be searched, and we're going to find the items. Either you can just give them to us now, or when we have an officer come and search you and find the items, then we can charge you additionally.
Okay, and what happened? My kids go back to school tomorrow.
Is that why you took the items?
Oh, my daughter's school, and her birthday's tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's give us the items that you have concealed under your dress, and then we'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
No, I know y'all gonna arrest me. So
Either way, we need the items back, whether we get them.
Right here?
Are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out?
Taken to a private room, she reluctantly removed the hidden goods from under her dress, revealing a shocking amount that even stunned the officers.
And whatever you have, you just throw on the ground.
Okay. My Lester's going to pull you out in a second.
Make sure it's all of it, because, like I said, you're going to get searched back then. If you don't turn it over now, we're going to charge you additionally. Okay.
Am I going to make it off on my daughter's birthday tomorrow?
Yes.
That's all I care.
Okay. Just confirm that's everything.
Like on a week.
I said confirm that's everything that's on you. Make sure that's everything that's on you. Definitely nothing else in there. Like that. It's a New York deal at the top.
I just want to make it for my daughter.
That's definitely it, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to get searched. She's going to go under your dress. And... Okay. Can you just take the dress off? I mean, you have pants underneath, right? Okay.
So I feel comfortable taking it off, but I have nothing else.
I'm sorry?
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't want to take it off? Okay.
I feel comfortable.
Like I said, as long what's this strap here?
It's for the dress.
Okay. All right, so like I said, you're going to get searched when we get down there. If there's more merchandise, that could be an issue.
Can you just be honest with me?
What's up?
Am I going make it for my daughter's birthday.
Yes. Like I said, you were pretty transparent, right? You did admit to it.
Show you her date of birth.
Right? So, are you going to get arrested? Yes. You're going to get processed. I will do my best to get you out of here today. Okay? Okay? All right. Just come over here and come over here and just stand on the wall here. Just put your hands behind your back.
I'm able to go on my phone because I don't have no number.
It's all going to come with you. I'm going to let you make a phone call when we get back to the police department, okay? Unlock your fingers.
Yeah, that's understandable.
In the end, the stolen goods were counted one by one, and the total value was jaw-dropping.
Because there's Victoria's Secret in there.
Yeah, so when you went in pink, you took stuff from there as well?
It was only pink and aloe.
Aloe? Just those two stores? Okay.
Is your accent is decent about it?
All right. Well,
I think you're more worried about the merchandise.
there's Victoria's Secret too.
Alright. So. I'll rather get a statement.
All right.
What he does is trying to run you over that way.
Please, I'm
sorry?
I just want to make sure I get to make a call.
I'm going to let you, I got your phone. I'm going to let you make a call when we get back.
You got the other phone too?
Yeah, he's got it right over there with your purse. So it's all going to come with you. All right. I'll take it, brother. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
No knives?
No.
Guns? Razor blades? Wire cutters? Nothing like that?
Nothing.
Okay. How'd you get up to the mall today?
Somebody gave me a ride.
Okay, so do you have a car here?
No.
How'd you plan on leaving?
The person was supposed to meet me back.
Okay, you're not here with anybody else?
I live in Queens, so the person would give me a ride where I could take like a metronome back to because I live in the address I gave you is Rosedale.
Okay. All right. So you weren't here with anybody else? Okay.
The woman was found to have taken a total of $788.55 from the Aloe store and $1,161.00 from Victoria's Secret for a total value of more than $1,900.00. She was charged with theft. Next episode, a Louis Vuitton bag worth $1,200.00 goes missing inside the store, and suspicions turn toward a wealthy, well-dressed customer.
And it appears that you have been named as a potential suspect, and so, unfortunately, by law, you do have to turn over your driver's license for our investigation.
This is true. That's not even true. I wasn't even on the road.
That could have been me. I could have misheard, but it sounded like you were the only person in there. I understand. This is probably just, like, again, wrong place, wrong time. It could just be you inadvertently picked something up when you didn't mean to. I don't know to tell you. But anything you can do to help us, we can put this to bed. If it was the other person, maybe there's video of the other person doing it. But there is cameras in there. So I just want to put this to bed one way or the other. If you could help us in that, that would be awesome. But I am going to need you right now. Sorry to be a pain.
No, it's not a pain. Really embarrassing.
I'm so sorry, but I will say, is inside of your purse brown?
Yes. Well, I have
a brown Louis Vuitton in there.
No.
It sure looks like it. Right there.
No.
Right there.
Could see it.
Yeah.
No.
Man, I don't want to place you under arrest, and I don't want you in the store.
No, that's so
okay.
wrong.
It's in front of you. I can see it in your bag. Turn over your driver's license, unless you want to get put in handcuffs right this moment.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, so I already saw it in plain view. Okay, take the bag off. You're gonna get put in handcuffs. I'm trying to treat you with respect.
You could have gone so much easier. Just give us your ID and turn on the person.
I don't even know if the victim wants to pursue this at this point. Okay.
Police approached the woman calmly, starting with gentle questioning. But the atmosphere quickly shifted as her responses grew evasive.
Or do you want to see if we could try to work this out? Yes or no?
I'd like to leave.
That's not going to happen now. I already saw it. So you can either help us out here, and maybe she doesn't want to pursue this because she gets her belongings back, or I'm going to place you in handcuffs and you're going to be arrested for theft. And in addition to being arrested for theft, if there's any credit cards in there, you're going to get charged with those too. any credit cards that are in that particular Louis Vuitton that you're covering, every single one of those is an additional charge.
I don't have any other credit cards. They're my own credit cards.
Okay, the brown Louis Vuitton that I just saw.
Do you know I have Louis Vuitton checkbook? I have Louis Vuitton wallet?
I'm sure you do. But you have been identified. I just saw that in plain view. It matches exactly to what she's describing. We're not playing this game anymore, man.
I'm not playing this game either.
Okay.
This is
Let
wrong.
me have your ID.
This is wrong.
I'm sure it is. I need your ID, and I will not ask again. I can assure you of that.
You're already getting the ID out. Let's just get the ID out again. We saw it was in there, so we're not covering anything up anymore. Just give us the ID so we can go from there.
It's a misunderstanding. It is what it is, but we have to document everything that we spoke to, and we need to see some ID.
We can do this now here, or we can just handcuff you here and cross you where the cars are. Probably one of the busiest streets in Summit. So we can resolve this here. There's only 4 or 5 officers here, or we can go across the street and place them in handcuffs. Where there's probably going to be people who are going to be reporting this on the public sidewalk, and they can do that. So I think it's in your best interest that we handle this here. So can we see that first? And can we have your ID?
That's not happening.
It's not happening. It's too late.
No, don't do that.
Yep. I gave you the option,
Don't do that.
Man.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Okay. Then give it to us.
Give it over.
Can you
Stop
please
pulling
look
away.
over?
Stop pulling away.
Look over me.
No, stop pulling away and give us the bag.
This is not up for discussion, okay?
Now, or you're going to handcuffs.
I gave you the option before.
Okay, here.
It's too late.
No.
No,
We gave you the
no.
opportunity.
Stop, man. Stop.
Can you please help me?
No. We're not helping you. You're on the fast now. Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am.
Stop. This is ridiculous. Stop. You're not going to win this. You're not going to win this.
I promise you that.
Please don't.
Now you're resisting.
Ma'am.
You want to get charged with resisting too? 'Cause that's
No.
what are you doing? Stop. This could have gone a lot easier.
It's too late.
It's too late for you.
Cold road in front of the entire public. We're trying to be respectful of it.
The moment the stolen bag was found, everything flipped 180 degrees. The police moved in for a swift and harsh takedown.
You're not being respectful of us.
Either take this bag off or I'm going to cut it off. All right, take your right arm off. No, you don't need your left arm. Stop resisting.
Please stop resisting.
No, please stop.
Doesn't have to be this way. Please stop resisting.
I'm just going to cut it off in 2 seconds because I don't really care about the straps and let it go. You're going to go in the corner, ma'am. Stop walking away. All right, here we go. You made this a lot easier. How about that?
I'll go down here.
Too late.
Get on your stomach.
This is insane. You're a grown woman.
Oh, this.
Why are you twisting your arm? You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm not. I'm trying to
Because we'll just break it if you don't.
I'm not trying to resist.
Well, you already did, so you're getting charged with that too. Congratulations.
Hold on. Let me lock. Hold on. Go.
The gloves slid under there. You want to grab it on the left side of the table. Just one of the gloves slid over there. Yeah, you're going to jail. So, absolutely.
Yeah, now.
From a heated argument to a violent struggle, everything erupted into a dramatic arrest right in the middle of a crowded street.
So, the easiest way is to slide backwards, all right?
Can I just ask you something?
No.
No, please.
Man, just slide back there, please. You can ask me when we go inside, all right? It's cold.
Can I please?
Just slide back, okay?
Can I please?
When we get inside, I'm freezing. Let's go. Come on.
No,
It's
but
not
can
it's
I
not
please?
changing the outcome.
We're going to block down the street. It's a 2-minute ride.
No, but can I please just go?
No, get in. Come on.
I am begging you.
Okay, that's not going to work, so come on, sit back.
Wait, but you know
Wait,
what? But sir,
you made a decision. Go
okay,
inside.
my screw up.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
I am begging you.
Maybe the girl doesn't want to pursue it. I don't know. But
Okay,
doesn't she?
okay.
Go inside
can
the car.
I just tell you something?
No. Go inside.
No, please listen to me.
You need to be aware of your Miranda rights before you say anything. Okay?
Okay,
So
I'm
don't
just
say
going to ask you
don't
something.
say anything until you are read your Miranda rights. I'm not asking you any questions, and I don't want to hear anything from you at this point. Okay? So
Nothing you
please,
say is going to change
just
it.
get in the back of the car.
Can I tell you something, please?
No, we don't need to hear anything, all right?
Please
Sit
listen
back.
to me. Do you know?
We just wrestled inside. Do you want to wrestle again to get in the back?
I'm
Because we
sorry.
don't want to do that. So just sit back, please. We're asking you nicely. We don't.
I am begging you.
You need
I'm
to get in
here.
the car. We already put you down on the floor in there because you want to resist arrest. Get in the car. We don't want to have to force you in the car.
That's my fault.
Okay,
He's
so
I've been
get in the car. Go inside.
Go
inside.
Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Come on.
No. Okay,
Sit
no.
backwards. Sit
okay,
backwards. Watch
will
your
you
head.
please listen to me? Sir?
Swing your feet in,
Will you
please.
please listen to me?
I'll listen to you when we get inside, all right?
Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Can we stop for a minute, please?
I know. Can
Just
you
sit back,
listen to me?
please. I don't know what's going on with you, but just sit back, all right?
Listen to me for a minute.
We will inside, all
No,
right?
listen to me
All
for
right,
a
hold on
minute.
here.
Your feet are here. You're going to hurt your feet.
Hold on. Okay. Put your feet inside. All right, what do you have to say? Come here, put your feet in. Can I go inside so I'm not freezing? Put your feet in.
No, will you please listen to me for a minute?
In New Jersey, theft can be punished severely depending on the value of the property, ranging from up to 20 years in prison and fines of up to $200,000, 0 cents for felonies. Lisa faces 2 charges, theft of property and resisting arrest, shopping in luxury but ending up with a one-way trip to jail instead. On July 7th, 2021, Lee County Port Authority officers were present on a flight to handle a disruptive passenger. According to the flight attendants, this passenger, later identified as Shroang, exhibited strange behavior and repeatedly failed to comply with mask-wearing requirements despite numerous reminders. Furthermore, this passenger caused a disturbance on the plane and spat on other passengers. The flight attendants informed the Port Authority officers that the captain wanted the passenger removed from the aircraft. In Florida, the flight crew has the authority to request a passenger to leave the plane for safety or order reasons as per Federal Aviation Administration regulations. The captain has the final say to ensure the safety of the flight, including the right to refuse transport to a passenger if deemed necessary. Port Authority officers can intervene if a passenger violates security regulations. Passengers have the right to be informed of the reason for being asked to leave the plane and can file a complaint if their rights are violated.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
Yep, you're going to have to get off the aircraft,
Yeah,
okay?
and you're at the...
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, so you're going to have to get off the
They
aircraft.
made us wait and wait and wait.
But right now, I'm going to
and
need you...
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay. I can just
And I
step
did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually. Disrespect.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive. And you know what? I live in America. I'm not talking.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that.
When asked to gather her belongings and leave, Shroang said something very odd. When asked to gather her belongings and leave, Shroang ignored the order, argued loudly, and displayed aggressive behavior towards the police. Additionally, she exhibited strange behavior and seemed to have severe mood swings. Note her sudden changes in facial expressions as if experiencing various emotions rapidly throughout this interaction.
No one's going to put their hands on you unless you
All right,
have to.
yeah, you
Grab
won't.
your bag and
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
but I need you to get up.
No. You
Okay?
need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person?
You need to calm
No, no, I'm gonna do what I need to
Calm
do. You're gonna do whatever you feel you need to
Okay.
do to me, right?
You ready?
So no, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Yeah, everybody is
You're
doing
going to get
this.
arrested. You're going to get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the
I'm
aircraft.
probably already gonna. I really
Then
honestly.
stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to
really,
do.
it's not about that.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to have to put my hands on you, okay?
For what reason? You're gonna put no. And that's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go.
No,
That's
why
it.
do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
That makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me. Seriously, though.
At this point, the woman continued to cause a disturbance and disrupt the plane, prompting the officer to warn that if she did not cooperate, she would be arrested. Based on the woman's actions, she could be arrested under the following laws. Resisting an officer. According to Section 843.02 of the Florida statutes, any person who willfully resists, obstructs, or opposes a police officer or any other law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of their duties by any means without violence can be charged with resisting an officer without violence. This is a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida. Disorderly conduct. According to Section 877.03 of the Florida statutes, engaging in loud arguments and aggressive behavior can be considered disorderly conduct. This includes any actions that cause unnecessary public disturbance or annoyance. The penalty for this offense may include a fine of up to $500 and/or imprisonment for up to 60 days.
That was already happening. Don't.
And you're going to jail, just so you know.
That was already happening.
Get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to,
trust
that. Right now,
do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
Not cool.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna.
Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the aircraft. Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to do.
If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor. No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right. Where you're not respecting my human right.
At this point, the woman continued to be disruptive and disorderly, and out of concern for the safety of other passengers, officers were forced to remove Schroen from the flight before the order to deplane was issued. In this case, if the officers acted to ensure the safety of other passengers and maintain public order, their actions in forcibly removing the disruptive passenger from the plane could be considered reasonable and lawful. Airlines and aviation security agencies have the authority to restrain and handle passengers who pose a disturbance or threat to the security and safety of a flight. Specifically, the Regulation 14 CFR 9111 of the Federal Aviation Administration stipulates that no passenger may interfere with the duties of the flight crew.
I didn't do anything that did anything to... No, man, that's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 1015.
1015.
Get over here. Up against the wall. Some handcuffs, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong.
yeah, we tried talking to you.
I didn't. I talked back to you, and I was calm. Honestly, acknowledge me for a moment.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that? It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with.
The suspect was escorted off the plane and arrested, reacting childishly and crying unconvincingly. She seemed to feel that this experience violated her human rights. Her self-perception of her actions was far from reality, making it difficult to determine whether she was intentionally lying or had other reasons.
See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up, why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them? I had my chance. You didn't even give me a chance. I looked at you in your eyes. No. Don't. You can't bullshit. That was the resistance that you felt. You're better than that, dude. I saw you outside before I even came in. No, you're better than that. That's not cool. That's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is
The suspect continuously alternated between asserting herself as a victim and expressing anger at the police, claiming she was treated unfairly. She accused a police officer of deceiving her into complying and not wearing a mask during the interaction. If you feel unfairly treated, remain calm and cooperate with the police. Try to remember the details of the event and seek legal support if necessary. Resolving disputes civilly and avoiding disruptions helps maintain calm and respect. Protecting personal rights is essential, but following the law and keeping a positive attitude will yield better results.
Yeah, I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's going to act. So we'll see how it goes. Ready to step out? Are you going to comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. He said literally the reason he has me arrested right now is why is you because I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You know, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? I will do what y'all want me to do.
Once again, we see a case where the arrestee blames a specific officer for everything. The woman refused to cooperate with this officer but claimed she would comply with other law enforcement members.
Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know.
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Sorry.
Anybody? No? Yeah?
I'm not complaining, you guys did. Y'all just, And I thought he was cute too. I looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
At the end of the arrest, she continued to say nonsensical things and use foul language towards the nurse checking on her. This woman should understand that such uncontrollable behavior not only tarnishes her image, but can also lead to further legal troubles. No matter how intense the emotions, respecting others, especially those on duty, is crucial. Negative behavior can make it hard for others to sympathize and cause unnecessary additional tension.
I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking. I should not be arrested right now, man. And we'll get to the bottom of what's happening. Your procedure. I use my constitutional procedure. But I need to follow your procedures, right?
Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please?
Okay.
That makes me want to be safe. Why is this like this? This is not my key. I would relax if you would let me. You're not. Is she good?
Her erratic moods and irrational reactions continued until the end of the video, where she blamed law enforcement for preventing her from relaxing. There are signs of possible mental health issues, but it is difficult to confirm without professional opinion. Ultimately, she was convicted on 2 charges and did not contest these charges. She received concurrent sentences, including 6 months of probation for misdemeanors such as resisting or obstructing an officer without violence and trespassing, along with 16 days in Lee County Jail. Schroen was also required to undergo a mental health evaluation and substance abuse assessment. During her probation, Schroen was prohibited from consuming alcohol or using illegal substances. She was required to undergo mental health evaluations and substance abuse assessments. Additionally, she had to cover court costs and attorney fees. This incident highlights the necessary intervention by Port Authority officers to maintain order and safety on the flight. Additionally, it underscores the importance of complying with aviation safety regulations and maintaining courteous, cooperative behavior to avoid legal consequences. Adhering to regulations not only protects yourself, but also ensures the safety of passengers and crew. Cooperation with airline staff and police helps maintain order, reduce tension, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Calm, respectful responses in stressful situations help protect personal rights more effectively.
The plates are coming back to a different car. You know something about that? No, stop.
You don't touch me. I'm not touching you. You're not alone.
Listen, you also have... No, stop.
You don't touch me. I'm not touching you. You're not alone.
Listen, you also have...
I'm not going nowhere. Talk to me right here. We don't got to go outside.
You are on the camera.
On May 8th, 2023, Ohio police inspected the license plate of a vehicle improperly parked at a gas station near Circle K. They quickly discovered that the plate did not match the vehicle and that the plate's owner was under a warrant. Upon closer inspection, officers noticed that the vehicle identification number, VIN, was partially obscured by papers inside the car. Fortunately, the woman involved was an employee of the store, so she did not flee upon seeing the police in the parking lot. However, she appeared very anxious. The suspect was later identified as Marlo.
How are you? My name's Aaron. This is Jay. Is that your car? What's your name? What's your name?
Marche Bigfoot.
Okay. The plates are coming back to a different car. You know something about that? No? How long you had that car?
Not like 3 months.
What's that?
3 months. I bought it for 3 months.
So the plates are coming back to a different car where we run the plates, and the plates that are on it, obviously that's out of Equinox, and the plates are expired as of last year.
Officer Aaron approached the woman and informed her that the license plate belonged to a different vehicle and asked Marlo if she was aware of this. Marlo responded that she did not know and said that she had bought the car from someone else, appearing uneasy. At this point, the officer mentioned that the license plate had expired the previous year. In Ohio, Section 4503.1, one of the traffic code mandates that all vehicles must be registered and have their license plates renewed periodically, usually annually. Driving with an expired license plate is illegal and can result in fines, with the amount varying by county and the duration of the expiration. Police have the authority to stop vehicles for inspection, and if an expired plate is found, they can issue a citation and impose corresponding penalties. Additionally, having a license plate that does not match the vehicle is a serious legal violation. This can occur when a license plate does not belong to the vehicle it is attached to, such as using a fake plate or a plate from another car. This is regulated under Section 4549.08 of the Ohio Code. Violations can be considered a third-degree misdemeanor with penalties up to $500 and a maximum of 60 days in jail.
So we just want to verify the registration on the vehicle. But you got a piece of paper there on the VIN that's half covered up. Do you have your ID on you first?
No, I didn't bring it because I'm clearly at work.
Okay. We're not trying to cause you any problems, but obviously there's vehicle plates that aren't matching. We just want to verify, make sure the car's not stolen or anything like that.
Marlo stated that she did not have any identification, but once the vehicle's VIN was confirmed, her identity would be established and the arrest warrant would come back to haunt her. The VIN is a unique identifier for each motor vehicle. It contains information about the manufacturer, vehicle type, and technical details, and can be used to track the vehicle's history, including registrations and ownership. When law enforcement or authorities check a vehicle's VIN, they can access databases to find information about the vehicle's owner. If the vehicle is registered under Marlo's name, this information will confirm her identity, even if she lacks identification.
Where's the keys to the car? Are you able to move that piece of paper?
Yeah, I have to go in the job and get out the office.
Thank you.
You over there, just move the paper for me, okay? Okay, you can close it.
Subsequently, officers looked up the suspect's name and details, discovering that she had multiple warrants and no driver's license. They also checked the vehicle's information and found it had not been registered since 2021. Section 4507.02 of the Ohio Code, driving without a license. Everyone driving on public roads in Ohio must have a valid driver's license. This means drivers must pass theoretical and practical tests to demonstrate they have the skills and knowledge to drive safely. Anyone driving without a valid license is breaking the law. Penalties can include fines and, in some cases, imprisonment. Additionally, under Section 2935.01 of the Ohio Code, police have the authority to arrest anyone found to have an active warrant. This means if during an inspection police discover someone has an active warrant, they can arrest that person without additional legal procedures. After informing the woman about everything, she made a mistake many others make. She tried to tell the police what they could and couldn't do, which never ends well.
You cannot do that. I was not driving in, it was not moving, none of that. You can't do that.
Listen, no, stop.
Don't touch me. I'm not touching you.
Listen, you also have stop.
Don't touch me. See, look at it. Look at it.
Stop.
You see it, right?
Stop.
Put my camera
on. You can put your camera on, but come over here and talk. I'm going to explain some stuff. I'm going to explain some stuff to you. I'm going to explain some stuff to you. Get away from the door. Come over this way so people...
She was seen taking out her phone to start recording the incident, repeatedly saying that the police can't do that, even though the officers continually explained and asked her to move away from the door to let others pass, but she did not comply, leading to her arrest.
Can you get cover? Right. Stop.
You see this, Melissa, right?
Stop resisting.
I wouldn't even do it.
Stop it. Now we're going back. We'll explain it to you in a second as soon as we get her handled.
You're wrong.
Stop.
Y'all are wrong.
Come on. Stop. Come on.
Wrong.
Yeah, stay up. Come on. Stop. Come on. Stop.
You're offering me because I didn't put my hands on y'all. I'm not touching y'all. Y'all touching me. I'm not doing nothing to y'all.
You would have just cooperated and walked over to the car.
I told y'all could talk to me on the camera. I'm not going nowhere. Talk to me right here.
You are on the camera.
Marlo persistently resisted, claiming she did nothing wrong and implying that the police were at fault. If you are arrested by the police and know you are innocent, the most important thing is to remain calm and follow their instructions. Provide identification if available, and do not resist, argue, or run away. If you believe you are innocent, cooperate respectfully with the police and remember all the details of the incident. Then you can contact a lawyer to protect your rights and resolve the legal issue, avoiding behavior like the woman in the above situation.
now you're in the back seat.
Let somebody know.
Okay, we'll let somebody know when you get a chance.
No.
Get your feet in the car.
No.
Stop. Get your feet in the car.
After several attempts to place the suspect in the police car, officers finally succeeded, but she continued to resist. Her actions could be charged as resisting arrest under Section 2921.33 of the Ohio Code. Section 2921.33 of the Ohio Code, resisting arrest. A person violates this law if they intentionally prevent or obstruct a law enforcement officer from making an arrest. Resisting arrest can involve using force, threatening to use force, or failing to comply with an officer's orders. Nonviolent resistance, resisting arrest without using force, is considered a second-degree misdemeanor. Violent resistance, using force to resist, is considered a first-degree misdemeanor.
Stop.
Oh, you have to go in this car.
No,
you can do this the easy way. Come on.
Stop.
Come on. You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop.
Stop.
You need to stop.
My fault. I stop when I get my
Stop.
phone.
Stop now. Stop.
I stop when I get my phone.
Stop. Get your feet in the car.
The woman tried to use her leg to prevent the police from closing the car door, and it took about 2 more minutes for the police to control the situation. She was then taken to the county jail for processing according to regulations. The female suspect was charged with resisting arrest, with additional charges pending for the warrants and vehicle-related violations. However, she pleaded not guilty to the resisting arrest charge and decided not to appear in court on the trial date, which added to her legal issues. Ultimately, the woman faced legal consequences for her actions. This incident highlights the importance of complying with vehicle registration and license plate regulations and cooperating with law enforcement when arrested. Resisting arrest only worsens the situation and leads to more severe legal repercussions. Instead, following vehicle regulations and cooperating with the police will help resolve issues effectively and minimize legal risks. Have you ever wondered how a small incident could trigger a chain of unexpected legal troubles? Minor actions can lead to unforeseen consequences, turning an ordinary evening into an unpredictable story. Join us as we explore this journey ahead. On August 20th, 2023, in Wisconsin, the police were called to a neighborhood concerning a car rollover incident. They quickly arrived at the scene and began their investigation.
All right.
Hello. Looks like you might have crashed your car, huh?
Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you.
Rachel? Eli, what's going on? How'd this happen?
I don't know.
You're not sure?
This is my vehicle,
Yeah.
yes, obviously.
Well, how did it end up on its side? Where are you coming from tonight, Rachel? Town? Southside Eau Claire?
Yeah.
What's their address? Do you know off the top of your head?
I don't know.
Okay.
But we had stopped to pick up a friend at Hobbsy's.
Where is that?
Hobbsy's is a tavern on this side of town, but I don't know their exact address. And there was nobody with me, and I can tell you, like, there was obviously
When the police arrived, they found a car belonging to a girl identified as Rachel, which had rolled over without any signs of collision with another vehicle. They began investigating the cause of the accident, starting with questioning the girl, who displayed clear discomfort when the officers inquired about her condition.
You had anything to drink tonight, Rachel?
no,
It's not gonna incriminate you any further.
I know. Not since 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
So I would say
a few hours then.
what we considered a beer cocktail, I guess. 4%.
And you just had one of them?
Yeah, it's just fun.
Okay.
Of the cocktail, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Okay. Do you have any, like, issues with your eyes at all? Like, do you have any...
That I'm aware of.
Do you have any... First and foremost, I guess I should have asked this a little bit ago. Okay. So here's the deal, Rachel.
So, here's the deal. No.
Well, you don't have to answer anything.
If you'd like to know, actually, I'll let you know what's going on from now. Because you've superseded your rights of asking me questions.
Hi, ma'am.
You can talk to my attorney.
It's Rachel.
He knows my name.
Is it Rachel?
I won't be answering any more of your questions. I think I've made that very clear.
They quickly suspected that Rachel might have been driving under the influence and started questioning her about it. Rachel admitted to having a low alcohol cocktail at 6 p, but insisted she hadn't drunk anything since. As the investigation continued, Rachel became increasingly defensive and refused to cooperate with the police, insisting on resolving the matter through a
Where have
lawyer.
you been drinking tonight, Rachel?
I haven't been drinking tonight.
I can smell the alcohol from you.
I guess you can smell the alcohol from me, but I haven't been drinking, so.
Okay, why am I smelling alcohol from you? Have you been around people who have been drinking? Is there a reason why I'm smelling alcohol right now? It doesn't come from nowhere. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Makes total sense,
So
yeah.
where have you been drinking tonight?
I think I already told you. Any questions you have, you can talk to my attorney. Okay.
Are
Yeah.
you... Yeah,
I think
know.
that's like
Did
very
you ask
clear.
about field
No.
Are you willing to perform any field tests for us tonight?
No, I would not be willing to perform.
You willing to do a PBT for us tonight? Okay, you're going to be under arrest for OWI.
Okay.
I got it.
This time, she denied having consumed alcohol, and when asked, Rachel refused to undergo breathalyzer tests and also refused a blood test, forcing the police to inform her that she would be arrested for driving under the influence. In Wisconsin, under Section 343.305, all drivers on public roads are considered to have consented to alcohol concentration testing if requested by law enforcement. If they refuse, their driver's license will be suspended for at least 1 year, and they may be required to install an ignition interlock device on their vehicle under Section 303.305.
Is there something in your car? I'm like, what?
Yeah. So where was it parked?
Literally parked right in between these two trees here.
So it launched it like 20 feet, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. There was nobody in it?
Nope.
Okay.
they're all.
It's your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your first name?
Cody.
All you're going to need to do from this whole thing is you're going to just have to call Progressive, give them that case number, say that your vehicle was hit. She's not being cooperative, really, so I don't know if she has insurance or not. I would imagine.
She got out of the vehicle just fine.
Yeah.
So any scratches or anything like that.
Yep. I'll get you that crash card, and then if you want to, you probably want to move the vehicle.
I could try.
I would. It doesn't look like it's too damaged. I think maybe the tire must have rode up on the hood or something. I really don't know. To be able to flip a car on its side,
yeah,
you would think there would be a lot more damage.
Crazy.
Yeah, very. I've been working here for a little bit, and I don't think I've seen a car flipped on its side in a residential area before.
The police then proceeded to take witness statements.
And what am I under arrest for?
Operating while under the influence of alcohol.
And is that assumptive or assured? Is that an assumed offense or is that an assured?
I still don't know what you mean by that.
Okay, I didn't think so. It's okay. I mean, did you assume I was operating under alcohol, or had you been assured by some sort of test? Correct? Is that correct? Yes or no?
Rachel, we're not going to have this conversation.
Okay, so that was correct, right? That's why you arrested me. You assumed I was operating my vehicle, correct?
What happened to you not talking?
Well, I didn't think so. That's okay. It's okay. It's a bitch when you arrest a lawyer. We just kind of let you, like, walk into those things. But you didn't read me my Miranda rights, and you also didn't tell me what... I mean, it's okay. We all learn. But you do know when you arrest somebody, you have to read them their Miranda rights, right? You know that? And you know any arrest that you make without reading Miranda rights.
In addition to her lack of cooperation with the police while in the patrol car, it seemed that Rachel's sense of entitlement truly began to show.
So one potential resolution for tonight is I could have the discretionary option of releasing you to a sober, responsible party instead of taking you to jail. Is there, first question for you is there somebody who comes to mind who is a sober, responsible party right now? If you don't want to answer my questions, then we're going to be going to jail. Alright. Jail it is.
My husband lives in Nebraska. Like, he's in Nebraska. My husband is in Nebraska. That's where he works. Where he lives. Do you want me to repeat that for you? My husband is in Nebraska. So, I'm a married woman. And my husband lives in Nebraska because that's where his work is.
Maybe.
I think that answers it. My husband is in Nebraska. Where a responsible party is, my husband is in Nebraska currently.
Rachel was finally arrested for not having a legal guardian. Rachel was arrested and charged under Section 346.63, 1A of the Wisconsin statutes for first offense drunk driving, an act prohibited when alcohol or other substances impair the driver's ability to control the vehicle safely, leading to penalties such as fines, temporary suspension of the driver's license, and possibly requiring participation in a rehabilitation program. Furthermore, she violated Section 346.57, 2 by failing to maintain control, and Section 346.13, 1 by making an unsafe lane change, both of which could result in fines and impact her driving record. Rachel was also charged with failing to provide proof of insurance under Section 344.62, which could lead to license suspension. These actions are all dangerous and reflect a severe disregard for the law. This serves as a profound reminder of the severe consequences of driving under the influence and failing to cooperate with law enforcement. Such actions not only endanger your own safety, but also put the lives of those around you at risk. Therefore, each of us must take responsibility for maintaining safety and respecting the law to protect our community and contribute to building a safer, more civilized society.